Interesting. Okay, let's see if this is actually working. All right, I don't have a ton of subscribers, but according to this, going live to YouTube. Okay, let's see if this is actually working. All right, well, let's have some fun. Today, I am spending the day working on. Right now, I have 46 products in a print-on-demand store. The website is bling.com with two L's. I'm sorry, two I's. Bling with two I's. So let me see. Welcome to the live chat. Okay. I don't know if anybody's chatting. And yeah, so I'm just designing this Shopify store. So this is a Shopify store that I created. And yesterday there was about 4 products. Now we have about 40. And I'm just going and just created this one a few minutes ago. Can feel the beat. Just play on words. Funny, trying to witty shirts, usually in different colors. You can get in different sizes. And yeah, there you have it. So I am going to try to think of a new design. And what I'm using to design the shirts is just usually AI images. I just try to think of an idea, and then using Sora. The reason I use Sora for the most part is because you can ask it for a transparent image, and that, like, these kind of more complicated like image designs, I don't want anything photoreal or like this, right? But sometimes I use it for inspiration. It's so weird. I mean, it's just like what people are thinking about. Look at this cat singing on a TV screen. So like, that's, I don't know. I'm scrolling through the Mona Lisa in the bathroom art and this weird spaghetti thing, but what made this crazy old lady with fruit on her head. But I like this bird, I like this, but what made cat drinking soda, but this image of a cat on the TV singing, I don't know, it caught my attention. It's written in Russian, so let's say, but what I want is my images are just simple. Like we just did a smiley face because this is for a T-shirt. Why is this not deleted? Smart cookie was one of the designs, and yeah, I could show you. So I just asked for a smiling beat. This is not even the one I used. Maybe I used Midjourney. Yeah, that's what happened. So sometimes I use Midjourney too. And again, Midjourney for inspiration. Look at this, is stunning. How the hell did they do that? I bet you if I copied this prompt, it wouldn't come out like that. But it's just beautiful. Some of these are just beautiful. Sometimes I just like copy these prompts. Let's see if I can test it later. I think there's a new version of. Ooh, look at this. That's interesting. So one of the themes of a lot of what I'm doing is flowers. So I'm gonna take this idea, see if I can play with it a little bit. So on my store, I have a lot of this. See these flowers with text? But I like this. I mean, it doesn't have to be a video. And it's really a little more detailed than I would like. But I like this style of it. So let's see what. Actually, I'm trying to make these more uniform. I don't know if I'm gonna get rid of this size chart. And let's change it. I'm using Printify for the design work, and this is Shopify. Printify and Shopify, that's what I'm using. So let's see if I can recreate. So I'm editing this prompt a little bit to see if I can do something similar. This is just me playing around. Probably not gonna do this. It's not gonna be the same. Like this is the image of the beat that I was able to create. I don't know. I don't know how how that prompt came out. Maybe because it's a video, or maybe he just tried it a lot of times. But this is not what I was looking for. It's kind of cool, but it's just it doesn't really do anything for me. Okay, just experimenting. So this was the one that I ended up picking. This design, and then I put it on a t-shirt and added "Can you feel the" and the cute little beat. So I just removed the background and then popped it in here. And that is design number 46. So just keep going. See what else I can design. Trying to get inspiration. Try world. Whoops. That's not gonna. This is not what I wanted to type. Typo, so this is gonna be not good. Not a female plant, but a female planet. That's the E in that one. Let's see if I can do that inside of. I'm just gonna add sticker over here because it doesn't do transparency. Let's see if it works. I feel like if it's really cute, see, this was a mistake. And you see, it doesn't really give off the female vibe that I wanted. This is not what I wanted. This is cute, but this is not what I was going for. Or at least not what I had in mind. That is actually more of what I had in mind. This is more of what I had in mind. So sometimes Sora hits a home run. Kind of wish she had hair, but it's all good. Didn't ask for it, didn't get it. Yeah. Let's try it. Sora is definitely not getting it. I mean, Midjourney is definitely not getting it. This is what I want. I feel like running it again and then seeing if I get another image that's just as good, if not better. Sometimes if you got something that you like, just run it again. And you might at least you have two options. Yeah, see, none of this is what I want. This not getting. So I'm giving up on Midjourney. I already have an image that I kind of like. So now I'm just gonna keep going. These are some of the designs we're working on. See if I got a better image. Did I not write Planet Earth? That's probably why. Let's try this again. This is cute though. See what we got. I just want a graphic, and then I'm gonna start doing some text-based designs. So again, in Printify, there's so many products to choose from, but when you're starting a new brand, you only just want to focus on just one thing, nothing else. So I'm just gonna do t-shirts, female t-shirts. Take the design, and I want to keep them all simple, super cute, nothing crazy. See what Sora came up with. Still isn't. This is actually what I want. Remember I said I want some hair? Didn't I say that? I did say I want some hair, so I'm gonna swap it out. This is exactly what I want. See, this is exactly why I was like, give it another go. See if it'll kind of get closer to what I want. I like it. It's like running it for a third time. That's right. No, I don't want to complicate it. want simple, clean, but this is exactly what I want. So because that I'm just removing the background. Yeah, see, this is similar to this image where it's got a cutesy eyes, but it's not really. This is totally off. I feel like the combination of this and this would be perfect, actually. But not gonna do this. Now I was doing text design in other programs, but I found that if I do it right here, it makes it easier. I mean, you can't really get really that simple. All you can do is kind of like simple curves and stuff. It's not really fantastic, but I'm trying to go for volume and speed. So I'm gonna pick a font. I want something cutesy. Let's see if this works. That's it. Done. I like this handwriting style font. So what's good about this is to actually make this capital T, consistency. It's better. And what I like about this, maybe I should put this on the edge. Okay. See what colors will look good. It's cute. Purple. Cute. Green's okay. That's cute. Orange. Tan. Red. Okay, should be good. So now with the black, you can't read the text, so you gotta make a variation. And then you get white. Any of the dark colors should be white. That's all good. Okay, so now I'm gonna preview this. Add a little bit of a background layout for both of these. And I get on a wood background in my website, save the product. And let's get rid of these. There we have it. I'm gonna go with black as the headliner. That's usually what I use. It writes the copy. Get rid of this. Checking this live stream. Is it still going? Okay, welcome. 27 people are watching me live stream. No. No one's watching me live stream. I have 27 followers. Cool. I wonder if you could up the quality of this. No, 720p is it. Alright. Cool. Alright, so it's uploading the images. And it's going to take a minute. Oh, say it. Now it's published. So, go back to the website. Bling.com. Inside the catalog. It should appear somewhere. Probably in the end, because this is in alphabetical order. There it is. It's just a simple design. I've just been doing a play on words and graphics. I don't like this green one being the top one. I didn't specify that. I thought I did. I thought I made it black. Well, I guess that's for the featured. I don't know. That's fine. Alright. So yeah, I am now at, 47 products. Kind of want to hit 100. I designed about 40. And just I figured I'd share the process. All right. So I got to think of another idea. Something is done. Okay. Maybe I should just start doing text.